You've probably seen those channels pulling millions of views with AI voices, stock footage, and catchy titles, and thought, I could do that too. But here's the harsh truth. 99% of faceless YouTube channels never get monetized. Why? It's not because YouTube hates faceless creators. It's because most people build them wrong. In this video, I'm breaking down the real reasons these channels fail, and more importantly, how to be part of the 1% that actually makes money. Stay until the end because I'll also share a strategy that can help any faceless channel build trust, even without showing your face. Let's start with where most people mess up, believing that faceless equals effortless. TikTok and YouTube Shorts are full of videos saying, make $10,000 a month without showing your face. What they don't mention is that those viral examples are the exceptions, not the rule. Most creators copy what they see. Same voiceovers, same stock clips, same robotic AI narration. The result? Thousands of identical channels. And YouTube's algorithm notices. Duplicate content, reused audio, and no original storytelling. All of that signals low effort. Even if you manage to get views, you'll likely fail YouTube's monetization review, which checks for originality, consistency, and value. Here's something creators overlook. YouTube doesn't pay you for anonymity. It pays you for authenticity. Being faceless is fine, but being soulless isn't. Every successful faceless channel, like Moon, Magnates Media, or The Infographics Show, has one thing in common: a voice with personality and storytelling. What kills 99% of channels is the lack of unique voice or theme. Everything sounds like ChatGPT plus stock B-roll. Consistency. People upload 2 videos, don't go viral, and quit. Viewer connection. Audiences don't trust or recognize the creator. So even if your content is watchable, it's forgettable. And YouTube's algorithm rewards recognizable brands, not faceless clones. Here's where it gets technical. In recent years, YouTube has become strict with its reuse and repetition policy. If your videos use reused stock or gameplay footage without original commentary, AI-generated voiceovers with no human editing, compilations or clips from other sources, then your channel can be marked as not suitable for monetization. Creators think they can just hit text-to-speech and upload, but YouTube's review team manually checks samples from your channel. If they don't see human creativity, scripts, structure, editing, it's an instant denial. Remember, monetization equals proof of creativity. Without originality, your faceless channel is just background noise. So how do you become part of the top 1% of faceless creators who actually earn? Here's the formula that works in 2026. Pick a storytelling niche. Don't go broad like motivation or money. Go specific. Business lessons from video games, or AI tools that changed artists' careers. Make the viewer curious every time. Use voice strategically. You can still go faceless, but use a real voice, even if it's not yours. Hire voice actors or mix human tone with AI tools. Write scripts that build emotion, not just information. People don't remember facts, they remember feeling something. Ask yourself, does this script take the viewer on a journey? Design custom visuals. Stop using the same pixels footage everyone else is using. Add motion graphics, captions, or animated text overlays that match your story. Consistency over perfection. The algorithm learns from patterns, even more than views. 1 great upload per week beats 10 forgettable ones. Here's the ironic truth. Even faceless channels need a human fingerprint. What helps? Leave subtle jokes or opinions in your script. Respond to comments using your brand's tone. Create a story around the channel's identity, like who's behind this mysterious narrator? When people start speculating about who's behind the channel, you've won. That's emotional investment. Monetization follows attention, but attention follows connection. So yes, 99% of faceless YouTube channels never get monetized, but not because it's impossible. It's because too many creators treat it like automation, not art. Be faceless, but not forgettable. The moment your content feels alive, you'll step into that top 1% easily. And if you want me to break down my step-by-step blueprint for building a faceless brand from scratch, subscribe and turn on notifications. That video is coming next week.